party, especially the Congress party, to give it a thought again and not to contest on the Speaker's post. We have the numbers, but it's not a question of numbers. The Speaker has to run the House impartially. So in this context, it's better for all of us to elect the Speaker unanimously. So I think we still have time, and we will make one more appeal to the Congress party. But if we are pushed into the election, we are prepared.
But Mr. Rijiju, the spirit of this mandate is collegiality. Surely you could have tried harder for collegiality, in the sake of collegiality, in the spirit of collegiality with the opposition. That would
absolutely. We all are colleagues in the House, and we have to always work together. There's no doubt about that. The only question is that when we make the efforts and when we offer them, we expect that the offer is accepted gracefully. That has not been done, but we still make an effort. We will appeal to them again.
But what's the sticking point? What is it that is...
There's no point. There is a simple thing that let us elect the Speaker unanimously.
Sir, the opposition leaders are now still saying that if still the Deputy Speaker post is being given to them, then they will again support the Om Birla as the Speaker candidate. How do you see this?
No, we don't believe in making preconditions for the post of Speaker. Let us concentrate and elect the Speaker first, and then the other issues we can discuss later.
सर, लेकिन आज की जो पूरा हो रहा है लोकसभा स्पीकर के चुनाव को लेकर, तो उसको आप किस तरीके से देखते हो?
हम लोग ने शुरू से कहा है कि ये नंबर का सवाल नहीं है, हमारे पास संख्या पर्याप्त है और मजबूती से अपना संख्या के साथ हम खड़े हैं, मगर ये संख्या का कोई बात नहीं है। ये हम चाहते हैं कि स्पीकर का पद जो लोकसभा का अध्यक्ष होते हैं, वो पद जो है सब सर्वसम्मति से चुन के बिठाया जाए, तो ये सबके लिए ठीक होगा, ये हमारा मानना है।
लेकिन उनका ये कहना है कि शक्ति प्रदर्शन करके वो
शक्ति का सवाल नहीं है, शक्ति तो हमारे पास नंबर तो है ही। अगर हम अपोजिशन को नहीं मानते तो हम उनसे बात ही नहीं करते, फिर हम सीधा चुनाव कर देते। हमारे पास संख्या है, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि निर्विरोध हो, इसीलिए तो हम लोगों ने अपील किया है। अभी हम फिर से अपील करते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी को कि चुनाव ना लड़े और सर्वसम्मति से स्पीकर का